go.
Welcome to the POD with a Twist podcast, your ultimate hub for slicing through the noise in the self-publishing biz. I'm Tammie Chrin, your host, and I am here to turbocharge your journey into the world of print-on-demand books with some killer strategies and a fresh twist. With 3 decades of entrepreneurial fire under my belt, I've crafted the game-changing KDP for B2B method. This isn't just about making books, it's about making bank by partnering directly with businesses. You brand it, you bank it. No fuss with ads, keywords, just pure profit from the creation and ongoing sales. No matter if you're dabbling as a part-timer, diving in full-time, or hustling on the side, this podcast has something for everyone. Our goal is to empower you to build a reoccurring income stream by designing smart, strategic, low to medium content books. And let me tell you, as a pioneer of the KDP for B2B method and the co-founder of AI Self-Publishing Books, I'm bursting to share all of my secrets and strategies. Get ready for bite-sized powerhouse sessions that propel you towards sustainable success and financial freedom. If you're ready to level up your self-publishing skills and edge towards financial independence, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're going to get this party started. Let's go. Let's talk about creating puzzle books for people that are in assisted living. So you're going to be creating these branded booklets for people who are in assisted living, but you're going to be reaching out to the assisted living owners or managers, or whoever you can be in contact with, who would make those decisions to brand the booklet for that facility. This idea I've heard before, and I just wanted to share it with you, thinking about it as what a great idea as a gift during the holidays are coming up, but also any time of the year, but a gift to create puzzle books and brand the book for the assisted living facility. And I thought this would be a great way to have you try out a Doodoo book creator tool, because that tool will allow you to create puzzles and change up the puzzles for these branded booklets. So I'll put that in the show notes for you. So branding the booklets, you can create all different puzzles using a Doodoo book creator tool, and you can add them into the booklets, and the assisted living can give them out as a holiday gift. Maybe it's a birthday gift, or maybe it is a potential customer coming in and they give this booklet. So again, you can add as much as they want to it, but you can make it a fun interactive book by adding the puzzles to it. But you can also put all of maybe the information about the facility, put the contact information, put the QR codes on there to add more, if they have videos, or add more information. It's the same philosophy as all the branded booklets I talk about, but now we're talking about assisted living facilities. And I think it's a great way to add value to the assisted living facility, and it's fun. And I know a lot of people like to do puzzles, and what a way to give a gift to the people that are either living there or potentially going to move in. So think about that and check out assisted living and talk to the manager or whoever is in charge and ask them if that would be something they would be interested in, and create a branded booklet for an assisted living facility. I hope this gives you another great idea. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Thank you for liking. My name is Tammie Chrin. I love doing this and sharing with you. I have lots of information for you at TammieChrin.com. You can always go to my website. I have all kinds of stuff there for you to look at, share, and I hope this just brings you a little bit of spark to think, oh, assisted living. I like creating puzzle books already. If you need a tool, it's a Doodoo book creator tool. I'll put that in the show notes, and that makes it really easy to create these branded booklets for them, and it is a great gift to give. All right, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey there, self-publishers. Are your book sales not quite hitting the mark? Feeling stuck in the slow lane on the road to success? Well, I've got a turbocharged idea just for you. Imagine turning those amazing self-publishing skills of yours into a powerhouse partnership with businesses. Yes, businesses. They have the content and you have the know-how. Together, you can create their branded books. And here's the kicker. You get paid a setup fee plus ongoing royalties for every single book sold. Curious? You should be. Jump into this new adventure with my free ebook, The KDP for B2B Method. That's Kindle Direct Publishing for business to business. It's your ticket to surviving and thriving in the self-publishing world. Don't wait for success to find you. Chase it down. Grab your free copy today and start your journey towards bigger, bolder book sales. See you on the other side of the page. Thing before I go, the fun legal stuff. I have to read it. Earnings disclaimer. This video is intended for entertainment and educational purposes only. The techniques and ideas presented in this video do not guarantee monetary earnings. Achieving the results mentioned in the videos require personal commitment and hard work. It's important to acknowledge that you should not solely rely on this information provided in this video, and Tammie Chrin, RTC Global LLC, bears no responsibility for the outcomes resulting from this implementation of the concepts discussed. Your participation in any activities mentioned in this video is voluntary and at your own risk. Disclaimer, the video and its descriptions may contain affiliate links. Clicking on these links may result in us receiving a small commission without an additional cost to you. This commission helps support the channel and continue to producing videos for your enjoyment. Please note that before attempting any actions mentioned in the videos, it's imperative to consult with a professional or seek advice from your doctor. We sincerely appreciate your support.